Once I take this piece out, this whole middle is going to be loose.
Yeah.
So I probably ought to move the chainsaw.
You can hang it up on that little shelf, a little hanging pole I put there for electrical devices.
All right.
The whole thing's not going to fall once you do a cut here, though, is it? Need to essentially get some boards out before we get the ripple effect of.
We'll see how it goes, but let me take that out and we'll see. It should loosen that middle though.
Enough to whack out of one board and then it will happen fast. Yep. Yeah. Okay.
Yep. A little bit of a bug.
Piece of wood.
I shouldn't have to take that out.
Definitely rock and rolling.
Yeah, just add some more strength.
Where's your?
You're thinking sledgehammer?
Ooh.
I mean, we're relying on the great strength from these people things, so really good.
No, but it's how fast it starts to come down. Oh, hang on.
Those are sturdy.
I believe someone did a repair job down the bottom there.
A half-baked job, yeah.
No, locked in above.
Yeah.
Yeah, one stroke. Okay.
Oh, hang on.
Okay, careful. You can probably lever that from there.
Oh, this was in the front of the camera.
It's alright, I caught it. I was pleased that the walk.
What are you looking for?
Into the structure.
Another ball cap besides your Martin cap. Do you have one?
Ah.
If not, I'll wear one of the ones.
I've got some. I've got some painting ones.
Oh, you got a painting ball cap?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's a family.